Right, we're about to surprise the kids. They don't know what's happening.
Look at it go.
It's too early.
We're going to take them to Disney World.
Take them to Disneyland.
Right, listen. Come and sit here, look. Come and sit here. Take Georgie out. Take Georgie out. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Oh, come and sit there. Right. So you've been really good so far. This hotel's a bit rubbish, so we're going to go somewhere really special today. Open that up.
I spilled from. What is it? Open it up. Really good. Today we are going to for 5
Where are we going?
We're going to Disneyland! Yeah! Woohoo!
Where are we going? We're going to see Mickey.
We're staying in Disneyland for 5 days in a big
We're going to see
hotel.
Mickey Mouse.
We're going to see Mickey Mouse!
We're going to Cinderella's castle.